Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. I so happen to have some sting bean and some minced meat and some sambal inside my fridge. So I'm going to combine these three together. This is a very common dish you can find in a lot of chap fan store in Kuala Lumpur. It's basically stir-fry minced meat with minced meat and petai and also together with sambal. Let's start with sting bean first. The petai here, the sting bean, one thing very important is always remember to cut it in the middle to make sure that in the middle there isn't any worms hiding inside. This sambal belacan here is a combination between big chili, a bit of garlic and shallot, a little bit of toasted belacan powder. That's all, and then blend everything together. This one, we have some minced meat here. We can just very quickly prep this minced meat by adding a little bit of light soy sauce, some Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take Shaoxing wine, just omit the Shaoxing wine part. No need to find replacement. Then a few dashes of white pepper. Right, done. So let's get it ready. A wok or a pan, give it some oil and heat it up. I so happen to have some minced garlic, so I'm putting in some minced garlic also. This is totally optional. And we're going to saute our minced pork. You can use minced chicken also can. So we are going to saute the minced meat for a couple of minutes before we continue. You don't really need a couple of minutes. This is only after about 1 minute plus. I think good enough. Next thing, I'm going to put in the sambal. My sambal will be a little bit spicy because I actually added some chili padi inside. Right, let's give it some flavor. Let me tune down the fire. I'm going to give it a bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of fine salt, a few dashes of fish sauce. If you want darker color, you can add in a little bit of dark soy sauce if you like. Right, some dark soy sauce. This is more for the color. A bit of light soy sauce. Let me balance it with some sugar and some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Almost done. Sting bean. Ooh, look at how appetizing it looks. Now, sting bean can actually be eaten raw. So here you decide how long you want to cook it for. I like it raw actually. But because I'm cooking for my family, so I will saute it a little bit longer. Ooh, super fragrant. Right. Right before serving, just let me give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Off the fire and serve. Right, so here's my sambal, stir fry, sting bean and also minced meat. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.